Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that can elevate your culinary game, the Zojirushi ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker and warmer. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this rice cooker actually is. The Zojirushi ZCC10 is a 5.5 cup computerized rice cooker that utilizes advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. This means it can make intelligent adjustments to cooking time and temperature, ensuring that you get perfectly cooked rice every single time. It's more than just a rice cooker, it's a rice cooker and warmer combined, featuring an automatic keep warm function that ensures your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy it. One of the most impressive features of this rice cooker is its multi-menu selections. You can cook a variety of rice types, including regular white rice, sushi rice, mixed rice, porridge, and even brown rice. Additionally, it has a quick cooking setting for those times when you need rice in a hurry. There's also a unique rinse-free option, which is incredibly convenient as it saves you the hassle of rinsing the rice beforehand. The design of the Zojirushi ZCC10 is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It measures approximately 14 by 8 by 9 inches, making it compact enough for most kitchen counters while still being large enough to prepare meals for small families or gatherings. The spherical nonstick inner pan allows for uniform heating, ensuring that every grain is cooked evenly. Plus, it features an LCD clock and a retractable cord for easy storage, keeping your kitchen looking neat and tidy. This rice cooker is suitable for a variety of users. If you're a busy professional who often finds yourself in need of quick, reliable meals, this cooker is perfect for you. It's also great for families who want to simplify meal prep while serving delicious, perfectly cooked rice. Even if you're a college student living in a dorm, the Zojirushi rice cooker can be an essential kitchen appliance that helps you whip up meals without too much fuss. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and being able to prepare a warm bowl of porridge within minutes. Or, if you're having friends over for dinner, you can effortlessly prepare sushi rice to impress your guests. The extended keep warm feature is particularly useful for those who may be serving meals at different times, as it keeps the rice warm without compromising quality. The included accessories enhance your cooking experience even further. You'll receive 2 measuring cups, a non-stick rice spoon, a spoon holder, and even some recipes to get you started. Just remember to measure your rice using the cups that come with the product to ensure optimal cooking results. In conclusion, the Zojirushi ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker is an exceptional addition to any kitchen, designed with convenience and versatility in mind. With its advanced technology, variety of cooking options, and user-friendly features, it caters to both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike.